Welcome to the untamed corners of our planet, a place where nature is both beautiful and brutal. From the dense jungles of Africa to the endless oceans, the animal kingdom is a world that continues to captivate us with its mystery and its magic. Here, every creature tells a story of survival, adaptation, and the powerful forces that shape them. Today, we explore the secrets of the wild, revealing the extraordinary lives of the creatures that call this planet home. From the silent, solitary predators of the night to the loud, vibrant calls of birds in the dawn, every part of this ecosystem plays its role in the intricate web of life. Join us as we journey deep into the heart of nature, revealing its hidden wonders. Life in the wild is a never-ending cycle, one that begins in the most fragile of moments. For every creature, from the mighty elephant to the tiny ant, birth is both a promise and a challenge. It is the beginning of a journey that will see some flourish, while others falter. The wilderness, untamed and unpredictable, presents both opportunity and peril, testing every newborn's ability to survive, adapt, and thrive. From the first breath of a baby elephant as it struggles to stand to the minute a chick hatches from its egg and takes its first step, each moment is a testament to the resilience of life. As time passes, they will face the forces of nature, predators, food scarcity, and the unrelenting march of time. Yet, in this beautiful chaos, there is an underlying rhythm that drives each species forward, learning, evolving, and, ultimately, continuing the cycle for generations to come. The wild is not just a place of survival, it's a place where every creature has its role to play in the grand tapestry of life. And so, from the vulnerable first moments of birth to the eventual passage into the next phase of existence, each life in the wild embarks on a journey that is as much about struggle as it is about the profound beauty of simply being alive. Take, for example, the elephant. Born into a family of remarkable intelligence, young elephants begin their lives within the safety and protection of the herd. These gentle giants grow not only in size but also in wisdom, learning from the matriarchs, the silent leaders of their communities. The matriarchs are the keepers of knowledge, guiding the herd with experience passed down through generations. The bond between a mother and calf is unbreakable, forming the foundation of survival and emotional connection. Through this bond, the calf learns vital lessons of migration, finding food and water, and navigating the dangers of the wild. It is in these early years, surrounded by the wisdom of the herd, that the calf absorbs the principles of compassion, leadership, and the intricate balance of life in the wild. Social animals, like wolves and lions, form intricate bonds within their groups, creating tight-knit communities where every member plays a crucial role. These bonds are more than just relationships, they are the foundation of survival and success. For predators like wolves and lions, the strength of these connections determines the efficiency and effectiveness of their hunting strategies. Every hunt is not an individual pursuit but a coordinated effort where each member knows their place and contributes their unique skills to bring down prey. In a wolf pack, for example, the hunt is a symphony of teamwork where every wolf, from the lead hunter to the young, follows specific roles that ensure the pack's success. Similarly, lions work together using their collective strength, stealth, and strategy to capture prey far larger than any one of them could take down alone. These coordinated efforts require trust and communication where each animal relies on the others to play their part. But it's not just about the hunt. Every victory, every meal caught is shared among the group. This sense of cooperation strengthens the bonds between the animals, creating a support system that extends beyond hunting. It's a bond rooted in mutual respect, care, and the understanding that together they can overcome challenges that would be impossible to face alone. In these social groups, survival is a collective effort, and the strength of the relationships within the pack or pride is the key to thriving in the wild. But life in the wild isn't just about survival, it's about relationships, community, and the connections that bind animals together. In many species, young ones learn vital social skills through play, grooming, and interaction. Play is more than just a way to pass the time, it helps young animals practice the behaviors they'll need as adults, from hunting to navigating group dynamics. Grooming, on the other hand, strengthens social bonds and fosters trust within the group. These early experiences are crucial for learning how to communicate, cooperate, and share, forming the foundation for thriving in their community. It's these complex connections that make the wild not just a place to survive, but a vibrant, interconnected world where cooperation and companionship are just as vital as instinct. While the struggle for survival is constant, nature has equipped its creatures with incredible adaptations to overcome even the harshest challenges. The ability to adapt is what sets survivors apart from those who perish. In the scorching deserts of Africa, the fennec fox has evolved large ears that help regulate its body temperature, keeping it cool in the intense heat. Its sensitive ears also help it detect prey in the vast desert. Meanwhile, in the icy expanse of the Arctic, polar bears have thick fur and a layer of fat beneath their skin to insulate them against freezing temperatures. These adaptations not only keep them warm but also provide energy during periods of scarce food. Through such remarkable evolutions, nature ensures that life can thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. In the world of the small and silent, animals like chameleons, geckos, and camouflaged insects have perfected the art of blending seamlessly into their surroundings. This camouflage is much more than just a defense mechanism, it's a way of life, intricately woven into their survival strategies. For these creatures, remaining unseen is crucial to avoid predators that lurk in the environment. By adopting the colors, textures, and patterns of their surroundings, they become virtually invisible to the naked eye. But camouflage is not just about hiding. It also allows these animals to get closer to their prey without being detected. For a chameleon, its ability to change color can help it ambush insects, making the hunt more efficient. Similarly, a gecko's ability to blend into tree bark or rocks enables it to stalk prey with stealth, while also protecting itself from larger, more dangerous animals. This remarkable adaptation is the ultimate survival strategy, to be invisible yet always present in the world around them, silently going about their lives undetected by both predators and prey alike. Underwater, life thrives in a completely different environment. The deep sea is a world of darkness, yet it is also a world of light, bioluminescence. Creatures like the lanternfish and the anglerfish have developed the ability to glow, which helps them survive in the pitch-black depths. The lanternfish uses its bioluminescence to attract prey, luring small fish with its soft glow before striking. Similarly, the anglerfish has a glowing lure on its head, which it uses to attract prey into striking distance. Beyond hunting, bioluminescence also plays a role in communication and navigation, helping these creatures find mates, warn off rivals, or navigate the vast, dark ocean. In the animal kingdom, every moment is a battle for survival, and predators have developed incredible skills to secure their place at the top. Some, like the cheetah, rely on speed. As the fastest land animal, a cheetah can reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour in short bursts, using its agility and powerful legs to chase down prey in a stunning display of precision. However, not all predators rely on speed alone. Lions, for example, hunt in coordinated groups using strategy and teamwork to take down prey much larger than themselves. The lionesses work together to surround and herd animals like zebras and wildebeest, using stealth and patience to close in on their target. These different approaches, raw speed for some and tactical teamwork for others, show the diverse ways predators are built for survival. Prey, however, is far from helpless. Take the gazelle, for instance. While it is incredibly fast, it's not just speed that helps it escape predators. The gazelle is also an expert in agility and unpredictability. It can change direction in the blink of an eye, making sudden, sharp turns that can confuse and throw off its pursuers. This quick maneuvering allows it to evade capture, even when faced with a predator that is faster. In the wild, survival is not just about strength, it's a delicate balance of agility, intelligence, and perfect timing. Prey animals like gazelles rely on their instincts to outsmart and outrun predators, demonstrating that escaping danger is as much about strategic movement and clever timing as it is about physical speed. In the murky waters of Africa, crocodiles have perfected the art of ambush hunting. They lie motionless, nearly invisible beneath the surface, blending seamlessly with their surroundings. Their eyes and nostrils poke just above the water, giving them an almost ghostly presence as they patiently wait for prey to come too close. When the moment arrives, they strike with terrifying speed and power, using their powerful jaws to capture their target in a fraction of a second. This method of hunting, relying on patience, stealth, and explosive speed, is a true testament to nature's deadly precision. Crocodiles are masters of their environment, and their ability to remain still for long periods before unleashing such an overwhelming attack makes them one of the most effective predators in the wild. As night falls, the world transforms and a new set of creatures comes to life. The darkness of the night creates an environment where animals that are specially adapted to thrive in these mysterious hours begin their hunt. Bats, for example, are masters of the night sky. Using echolocation, a sonar-like ability, they navigate effortlessly through the darkness, emitting high-frequency sounds to detect and capture insects that are equally suited to the nighttime world. Their ability to fly silently and pinpoint prey in total darkness is a marvel of nature. Similarly, owls are perfectly equipped for the twilight hours with their exceptional vision that allows them to see in near total darkness. Their silent flight, enabled by specialized feathers that dampen sound, makes them stealthy hunters swooping down to catch prey without a sound. These nocturnal creatures embody the incredible adaptations that make survival in the night possible, turning the darkness into their domain. Meanwhile, beneath the surface of the ocean, a hidden world thrives in complete darkness. In the deepest parts of the sea, where sunlight cannot reach, creatures like giant squid and anglerfish have adapted to this eerie environment in remarkable ways. These deep-sea animals have evolved to survive in absolute blackness, developing the ability to create their own light through bioluminescence. The anglerfish, for example, uses a glowing lure on its head to attract prey in the pitch-black depths, while giant squid rely on their bioluminescent patterns to communicate or disorient predators. In this alien world, where light is scarce and the pressures are immense, survival depends on unique adaptations from glowing bodies to specialized hunting techniques that allow these creatures to navigate, communicate, and hunt in an environment far removed from the sunlit world above. Even on land, nature is home to some of its most secretive and elusive creatures. Camouflaged frogs, lizards, and insects are experts at blending seamlessly into their surroundings, disappearing into the dense foliage with astonishing precision. These creatures have evolved remarkable abilities to match the colors, patterns, and textures of their environment, making them nearly invisible to both predators and prey. For a camouflaged frog, its green and brown skin helps it blend in with leaves and branches, while a lizard may mimic the bark of a tree to avoid detection. This ability to vanish into their surroundings is not just a defense mechanism, it also aids in hunting, allowing these creatures to sneak up on unsuspecting prey with remarkable ease. Their stealth and camouflage are prime examples of nature's ingenious strategies for survival. At the heart of the wild, the most important story isn't just one of predators and prey, but of the delicate balance that sustains all life. Every creature, from the tiniest insect to the most formidable predator, plays a vital role in maintaining this equilibrium. Each species contributes to the web of life in ways that may seem small but are crucial for the overall health of the ecosystem. A single change, whether it's the loss of a species, the introduction of an invasive one, or a shift in climate, can send ripples throughout the entire system, causing unexpected consequences. For instance, the disappearance of a predator can lead to an overpopulation of prey, which in turn disrupts plant life and affects the entire food chain. Nature is a finely tuned system, and every species, no matter how big or small, is a key player in keeping that balance intact. In these ecosystems, symbiotic relationships are essential for maintaining balance. One such remarkable example is the bond between the buffalo and the oxpecker bird. These two species form a mutualistic relationship where both benefit from the other. The oxpecker bird feeds on parasites such as ticks and lice that infest the buffalo's skin, providing much-needed relief for the buffalo. In return, the bird gets a steady source of food. This partnership is a perfect demonstration of how nature has created intricate, interconnected systems where each creature, big or small, plays a role. It shows that survival isn't just about individuals, it's about the collaboration and cooperation that sustain the wider web of life. And this balance is not something we should take for granted. The forces of nature are incredibly fragile, and even the smallest disruption can have far-reaching consequences. Human actions, from deforestation and pollution to climate change and overhunting, are having a profound impact on the delicate web of life that sustains these ecosystems. The loss of one species can trigger a cascade of changes, affecting countless others in ways we may not fully understand. As stewards of the planet, it's our responsibility to protect and preserve these vital ecosystems. Our survival is intricately tied to the health of the natural world, and if we don't act to safeguard it, we risk compromising the very systems that sustain life on Earth. The time to act is now, because the future of our world depends on the health and stability of its ecosystems. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the wonders of wildlife. The stories of the animals we've encountered today remind us of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of life. From birth to survival, from predators to prey, nature's dance is one of constant change and adaptation. Let us continue to learn from it and protect it so that these incredible creatures can thrive for generations to come.